Welcome back to Playwright course with Python. So today what we are going to see is how to open different browsers using Playwright Python. So far we have worked only with Chromium. Okay, now let's see how to work with different browsers. Okay, so let's execute with Chromium. This is the Chromium. Okay, Chromium in the sense like this is the base engine for Chrome as well as for the Edge, Microsoft Edge. Okay, so now we have seen this code already, that we create a Playwright and then create a browser, and then we have created a context, but we have removed it. As of now we do not need a context, so we directly created a new page from the browser. Basically new page is nothing but a new tab. Okay, then we are navigating to google.com. okay, now this one works too fast, so because of this reason I'm going to add a little sleep here. Okay, so if you are in a Mac, control space, you will get this sleep. Okay, so how many seconds we want to sleep? 5 seconds. Okay, so 5 seconds of sleep it will do. So after opening the Google Chrome, why I am adding the sleep is just to showcase you the browser, like which browser got opened. Okay, but using sleep is a bad practice when you are writing the actual code. Okay, now let's run it. Right click and run sample, or you can click here as well. Okay, now you can see this is a Google Chrome. Sorry, it is Chromium. Okay, so Chromium now got opened. Now let's use Firefox. Okay, so Firefox is the second largest browser used in Windows. Okay, now run it. Right click and run sample, or you can click the run as well. Okay, so now we have Firefox. You can see it here, the logo got changed. It's basically using the nightly runs. Okay, now Firefox is done. So next, if you want to use a Safari, just we need to change that Chromium to Firefox, Firefox to WebKit. Okay, WebKit is nothing but your Safari browser. You can click the run. So now this is Safari and it is opening it. Okay, you can see it here. It's not using an actual Safari logo, but it was using Playwright logo. So when did we install this particular browsers? We have installed when we typed Playwright space install command in the terminal. Okay, that's when we have installed Firefox, Chromium and WebKit, basically Safari. Okay, now these are done. These are the three browsers that it supports. So now you may have a question. Now I have a Edge and Chrome. How do I open it? I really don't want to use that brand new Chromium or WebKit. I just want to use whatever is present in my system. Okay, so how do I do it? Because most of the people will have this kind of they might have installed some plugins and they want to use those plugins during the automation. So in such cases, what you can do is you can provide an extra parameter in the launch function that is called executable path. Okay, so for browser, for if you are in Windows, right click on the Chrome logo and go to open file location. There you will have chrome.exe file. After installation, you have to give that path here. In case if you don't want to do that one, then you can go to browser, then you can go to Chrome:/version. Okay, here you can see something called executable path. Okay, so you can copy this particular path. It could be for, this is same for Mac and Windows and Unix based systems as well. Okay, just to copy the executable path and go to your code and paste it here. Okay, make sure that you don't have any spaces. Okay, so once you do it, right click and run sample. Okay, it is giving error. Okay, yeah, so it should be Chromium rather than WebKit. Okay, so in case if you are using the Safari browser, then you can give the Safari path. So as of now, Chrome and Chromium we are using. Now actual Chrome got opened. Here you can see the logo as well. Okay, so this is how you open a different browsers. The same thing goes to Edge. Right click on the logo and you go to file location. You can copy the .exe path and then you can use that particular path here for a executable path. Then it will open that particular browser only rather than using the installed versions. Okay, so that is all with this video. Okay, we will see in the next video where we talk about different actions that we can do using page. Okay, thank you.